Welcome to She is a Cook. Today's dish, we are going to do salmon salad, okay? And then I'm also gonna throw in a little extra for you. We're gonna also do air crisp chicken wings. And if you have seen the other air crisp chicken wings that I have done, these are much healthier. They don't have any dairy. They have there's actually no oil and no carbs. So that's wonderful. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so we're gonna start with the salmon. The ingredients that we have today, there's 3 pieces of salmon. We have avocado oil for frying because we are going to be pan frying the salmon. And then in this bowl, I have a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of thyme, and that's organic onion powder, organic thyme, and a half tablespoon of Himalayan salt. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I prep it, and then we're going to go over to the stove. All right, so we're going to pour the avocado oil, just a little bit. I normally have a brush, but I don't have it today, and so normally I brush it. But you can just take the back of a spoon and you can do that. And then with the seasoning, because of my nails, I don't want to get seasoning under my nails, so I'm going to go ahead and use a spoon and sprinkle it. So this salmon is from Kroger, and it is a pink salmon. It is wild caught, and it does not have the skin on it. So if you like the skin, then I suggest you not to go with this. But this is really good just for my family. And it's quick, you just thaw it out and you can go ahead and fry it. I don't have to skin the skin off, all that stuff. And I also have kids, so. And then you just flip it, you do the same thing. All right, now we're gonna go over to the stove and we are going to fry the salmon. We're gonna do 4 minutes on each side, okay? All right, now we're gonna take the salmon and stick it in the oil. Kind of let the oil heat up. You should hear it sizzle when you stick it in there. And this is such a good, easy, quick thing to make. You set it for 4 minutes and you come back and flip it for another 4 minutes and then they'll be done. All right, after the salmon is done, you just take it, you can take a knife and you can crumble it. And you take the crumbled pieces and you put it in the salad. I've already crumbled a bunch of salmons and put it in there already. And then take a little bit of Himalayan salt. Well, taste it first, and then after you taste it, take a little bit of Himalayan salt and then kind of toss it. These aren't the best, but you can just toss it and that's it. There is your salmon avocado salad, I guess. Avocado oil salad, salmon salad, and it is very fresh. This kale is organic. You can get it from Whole Foods, Kroger, or whatever. And yes, and now I want to go over to the wings. I want to show you really quick, a quick way to make wings using the same ingredients. So I have chicken wings, and it's the same seasoning that is in the salmon salad, except for we have baking powder. You add a little bit of baking powder because it adds that crisp. We don't have oil with this though, so there's no avocado oil with this. And all you do, you take the ingredients, the seasonings. So onion powder, thyme, Himalayan salt, and then just add a 1/4, maybe a teaspoon of baking powder. And all you do is sprinkle it on the wings. And I already have some, so that's why I'm not actually doing it. And you flip it. Now this is the easy part. All you do, don't fry it over the stove, put it in the air fryer, set it to 425, and I'm gonna say depending on how many wings, so when I cook 30 wings or 15 wings or somewhere around there, I do 30 minutes. But if you have less than that, I would do 25 minutes, and you can check on it, okay? But 25 minutes is the minimum time. And you don't have to flip them, just put them in there and go and do what you gotta do and come back. And this is what they're gonna look like. Look at that, they're crispy. I think we can open one up for you. And it's juicy and it tastes, oh come on, I can't leave it by myself. And they're good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So, these are two simple but very hearty and very nutritious foods that you can add to your diet that are not going to put on extra pounds. I'm sorry I'm chewing. I know that's rude. But try out the recipes. Let me know what you think. Make sure you follow us on YouTube. Like and
subscribe.
And how they taste.
Amazing.
Okay, I got to bring in my soul sisters here because I want them to taste it too.
Oh, I just cut in front of you, boo. I'm so sorry. I'm so rude. Y'all forgive me. I'm so rude. But you know, when I saw salad, you know, kale, my favorite, and some salmon. Oh my goodness. Come on, sis.
All right.
I need a bowl of that.
Yeah, well, we about to get a bowl of it. Come on, Jan.
Okay, let me try. I love
Jan, you gonna
salmon.
love that.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay, let me get a little green with my salmon. Yes, pick it up. Oh, I dropped a piece and it's so good.
It is. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that is so good.
That is so yummy.
All right, now try the wings.
Oh yes. Now I love the flats. This is a flat. That's
Yeah.
my favorite. You know it just good. Just all the time. Let me see.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna grab a flat too.
Girl. What was it?
Yay.
Mmm.
And you ain't put no oil on this.
No oil.
Just 3 ingredients.
Oh my goodness. Y'all, I wish you had smell-o-vision and taste-o-vision. Cause this right here. Oh,
Awesome. Well, thank you
that's so
guys
good.
for watching. Right. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.